谢谢。我是香港经济日报的记者，我的问题是提给潘功胜行长。那去年召开了中央金融工作会议，现在各方面对于这个金融领域的对外开放是有很高的期待。想请问潘行长，人民银行对于这方面是有何思路和举措？谢谢。
Hong Kong Economic Times. After the Central Financial World Conference last year, there was high expectation for China's opening up in the financial sector. What is the PBOC's plan in this regard?
Thank you for your question. Opening up is China's fundamental state policy. The PBOC will continue to promote high-standard financial opening up and make our policies more transparent and predictable, and promote high-standard financial opening up. We will do the following. First, we will expand opening up of the financial services and the financial markets, especially the financial services sector. In recent years, we have worked with other financial departments and established a system of pre-establishment national treatment plus the active list for foreign investment in the financial sector, and removed restrictions on foreign ownership on banking, securities, funds, futures, and life insurance. Last November, the PBOC issued a bank card clearance license to MasterCard and UCC. Going forward, we will improve the business environment for foreign financial institutions, make China a more attractive place for foreign financial institutions and local capital, and support Chinese financial institutions in going global and expand their international market. We will steadily expand the two-way opening up of our financial markets. Now, foreign investors can invest in China's financial market either directly or through connectivity mechanisms such as the Bond Connect and the Shanghai, Shenzhen, Hong Kong Stock Connect. Recently, the PBOC and the Hong Kong Monetary Authority have included bonds under Bond Connect as eligible collateral for the HKMA's RMB liquidity arrangement and open up the domestic repurchase agreement market to all foreign institutional investors. At the same time, we optimized the cross-boundary wealth management Connect pilot scheme and expanded the range of participating institutions and products. By the end of January this year, foreign investors have been net buyers of Chinese bonds for 12 consecutive months, with a cumulative net purchase of 1.8 trillion yuan. Going forward, we will continue to make domestic and overseas financial markets better connected, create a more friendly investment and financial environment, and attract more investors to China's financial markets, and support competent Chinese enterprises in listing overseas, and encourage sovereign wealth funds and pension funds to invest overseas. Second, we will further facilitate cross-border trade, investment, and financing, internationalize the RMB, and build an international financial center. Better facilitating cross-border trade, investment, and financing is what the PBOC has tried hard to do in recent years. And we optimized our approval procedures that will facilitate financial institutions financing and investment overseas, and to facilitate multinational corporations to coordinate the use of domestic and foreign funds. We built foreign and local currency cash pools. And now there is greater demand for different entities to use the RMB. In meeting market demand, the PBOC has improved institutional arrangements and financial infrastructure for the cross-border use of the RMB. The functions of the RMB have been enhanced, such as payment and settlement, investment and financing, and serving as a reserve currency. And the RMB has basically acquired the network effects needed for global usage. At present, the RMB is the fourth most active currency for global payments, the third largest trade financing currency, and the fifth most traded currency. Going forward, the PBOC will continue to improve the cross-border RMB policy, improve the cross-border RMB payment system, optimize the global layout of RMB, clearing banks, strengthen cooperation with overseas monetary authorities, steadily promote the sound development of the offshore RMB market. The PBOC firmly upholds Hong Kong's status as an international financial center. In addition to the 6 policy measures of 3 connectivity and 3 facilitation launched early this year, we will continue to deepen financial cooperation between the mainland and Hong Kong. We will strengthen Hong Kong's role as an international asset management center and risk management center, and support Hong Kong in building itself into a fintech hub and a sustainable financial center in the Asia-Pacific region. We will continue to support Shanghai in growing as an international financial center and expanding high-standard financial opening up. We will continue to improve measures to facilitate cross-border trade and support Shanghai in turning itself into a RMB-denominated asset allocation center and risk management center. Third, we will foster a market-oriented, law-based, and world-class business environment and improve the facilitation of cross-border services. We will continue to optimize payment systems, and there have been 3 generations of methods of payments. The first is cash, then checks and bank cards, and the third one is online payment and mobile payment. Mobile payment and online payment in China are a rapid alternative to the first 2 generations of payment means. So the rapid development and popularity of mobile payment has improved transaction efficiency, reduced transaction costs, and promoted financial inclusion. And mobile payment has become a bright spot in financial services in China. That said, that has brought with it some problems. For example, the elderly and foreign visitors may not have got used to it. The PBOC will implement the guiding document on further optimizing payment services and improving payment convenience, recently approved by the General Office of the State Council. This will be formally released tomorrow. We will work with relevant government departments, commercial banks, etc., to make bank cards more widely accepted. We will make mobile payment services more accessible by allowing more overseas visitors to link their own bank cards with China's mobile payment apps and accepting more foreign e-wallets for cashless payments in China. We will focus on key regions, places, and individual businesses and work for early outcomes. The PBOC will work with other financial authorities to optimize institutional arrangements for the cross-border flow of financial data. Last year, the competent authority formulated the provisions on regulating and promoting cross-border data flows and has been soliciting for comments. The PBOC is also optimizing the management of the cross-border flow of financial data, and we are complying a catalogue of important data, setting formal ground rules on regulatory compliance, and then give financial institutions clear guidance accordingly, so we can make cross-border flow of financial data better regulated and easier. Fourth, we will take an active part in international financial governance and pursue both financial opening up and security. And we will continue to step up communication and cooperation with international financial organizations and participate in global financial governance and policy coordination, strengthen global and regional financial safety net, and build a financial bridge for trade and investment between China and the rest of the world. At the global level, we will continue to advance the IMF's quota reform and build a financial architecture that is more just and equitable. At the regional level, we will steadily promote ASEAN +3 finance cooperation and the Chiang Mai Initiative multilateralization, further reflect on our own characteristics. At the bilateral level, we will follow through on the important outcomes of the China-US Leaders Summit and prudently advance the priorities of the China-US Financial Working Group. We will promote the work of the China-EU Financial Working Group and deepen financial cooperation with the major countries in the region. We will continue to enhance our financial security capabilities while opening up, improve macro-prudential regulation, and strengthen monitoring, assessment, and early warning of cross-border financial risks. We will establish a more sound and full-fledged legal system for the financial sector and accelerate enacting or amending the financial stability law, the anti-money laundering law, and the regulations on foreign exchange. The evolvement of China's financial market shows that unswervingly opening up to the outside world is a strong driving force and an important guarantee for high-quality development. It is also a key measure for finance to better serve the real economy and increase a country's institutional competitive edge. And we will continue our work in this regard. Thank you.